G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Back here in Tucson, Arizona to check on the car wash. It's been a couple of months, so I thought it's time to pop down, see how things are going, give you guys an update. And it's raining. So we probably won't have any customers today, but let's go check it out. Let's go see what's broken into. Let's go see what's working, what's not working. And that's basically what I'm gonna do. So let's go. So it is raining in beautiful Tucson, Arizona, and I pulled up to the car wash and this is the condition, so it's not too bad, nothing crazy. You know, obviously there's a little bit of stuff from, people obviously washing their cars, so this bay is nice and clean. And like I said, it's gonna be quiet today. Bill changer, there's no lights on, so that's always a good sign. Obviously we still test it with the bills. This bay is nice and clean, and this bay is also pretty clean, so I'm gonna test the stuff, we're gonna see how it works, make sure there's nothing major going on inside the motor room in terms of leaks. Let's check out the vacuums. We had someone break in this vending machine. They cut the whole front of it open, so we basically just had to weld some metal on there, so they can't do that anymore. And then they just have these knobs you pull, obviously. And then we have the vacuums, which looks good. There's some coins in there. So we'll just get them out, no biggie smalls. This vacuum looks good. I know that N one got broken into, so I think that one is down. Vending machines, not broken into, looking good. And this vacuum is the one that had some damage. Oh, lots of damage. Whole faceplate is gone. But otherwise, not too shabby, not too bad. We're gonna check out the motor room, see what's going on, and then we're gonna test the bays. Wash the truck, of course. We've got the soaps. These are still looking good. Nice, good condition since we put them in. Ugh, that's nasty. Basically a bunch of spare stuff, all your basic car wash essentials, WD-40, goof off, glue, the stuff you can't run a car wash without, especially that black Gorilla tape. So it doesn't look like anything major is going on here. No leaks, nothing. But we're not gonna know until we test the bays, see how everything is working. Got our spare stuff there. Obviously you gotta have spares. And there's the RO system. Hopefully that's still working. So yeah, pretty basic. And that's pretty much it. So let's go test the bays, wash the truck in the rain, see how it's working. So Tacoma is in the bay, ready to wash. You can see it's very dirty. So it's gonna put the car wash to a good test. Oh, look at that little graffiti. Little goof off will take care of that. Let's go ahead and insert the money. We're $2 for 4 minutes here, as you can see on that sign. Oh, it doesn't like this one. Look at that. Let's try again. Oh, it doesn't like it. I don't blame it. There we go. Oh no. All right, flattened it out a little bit. Let's try again. There we go. Sometimes you got to manipulate the bill into give us a little extra time. So we have 6 minutes. Let's start with the tire and the wheel cleaner. Pretty good. Let's see, let's test it on the tires. One-handed wash. There we go, plenty of soap coming out. Can't complain about the soap. There you go. Pretty happy with that. Very nice. All right, pre-soak, this is a big test. Pre-soak is a big test for me. Oh, look at that, it's coming out pretty. Test on the wall, all right. Very happy with that, look at that. Cover the whole car in it. Obviously it's filthy from the drive down from LA. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Very good amount. Cover the whole car in about a minute. Obviously I'm doing it a little quicker so you guys don't get bored and click off, but I wouldn't change it. That's it. Done. What's next? High pressure soap. Let's see what's going on with the high pressure soap. These boxes have been great, really no issues. The only issues you get is the coin jams, of course. So that's kind of out of the control. So we have soap. Okay, there it is. Would have been nice if it came out a little quicker, but again, it came out within, what, 8 seconds? 4 to 6 is good, but that's obviously the best of the best. So that's a pretty good amount. Wouldn't change that at all. And now the big test is here, the foam brush. Nice little hint of pink. That's coming out pretty dang good. A nice big blob falling every second. I don't know if there's anything I would do to change that. So let's go ahead, put it on the car, test it. Not too dry, not too runny. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take this all day. Look at that, get that Texas edition logo nice and clean. Don't scratch the paint. Don't scratch the paint. I don't know how many times I've washed my truck. Hundreds and hundreds of times with the brush. Imagine if this brush scratched your car, how scratched up my truck would be. Anyway, there you go. Good old soap brush. What's next? We've got the high pressure rinse. Let's just save that. Let's just test out the wax. Make sure the wax is coming out. Pull that off. Oh, that's the wax already right there. Oh no, that was the soap. Oh no, that's the wax. That's wax right there. Good amount, you can see it. Obviously customers want to see it. Cover the car in it. Hey, I'll take that wax all day. Very good, but that was just a test. Spot-free rinse. It's working. So that brand new RO system is doing pretty good. It was about $11,000 to put in the spot-free RO system with the pump. And then the infamous air dries. Hopefully they're working, let's pray. All right, it works. Well, we got more graffiti. That's just from the rain coming down. I'm trying. Oh, my window was down. No! Alright, well, it works. Okay, so everything worked pretty spot on. I'm happy with it. Damn, I left the window down. I sprayed the heck out of that. Let me make sure it's all right. We don't want my back seat all wet and moldy, and then I'll wash all the soap off. Or should I just leave it? That's fine, I'll just leave the soap on. All right, let's just make sure. Oh, it's dried. All right, good, good, good. Let's see, we've got a minute left. Can I rinse it off in a minute? It's gonna be a tough one. Let's do it, 1 minute, here we go. So before I forget, let's get the graffiti that I saw off. We got the goof off here, and obviously a rag. If it's not the insane type of graffiti they use that this doesn't get off, then you know it'll come off pretty easily. But I like to put it on the rag, spray it on, and then give it a little wipe. Look how easy that came off. There we go. It's as simple as that. It takes, what, 10 seconds? Very nice. I think I saw more over here. Oh yeah. Let's remove that. That's been there for 3 minutes too long. Little goof off on there. Wipey, wipey. All right, guess I didn't put enough on. Let's try again. All right, let's just spray straight on there. Because I know all of you all are like, Just spray it straight on. See, I can hear your guys' voices through the screen. So this one's a little tougher, it may have been there a little longer. But that's still better than what it was. I mean, these childish, immature children want to draw on our property. Why don't they just get some coloring books or draw on their own walls at home? Or, you know, crayons are always fun. I did it when I was like 3 and 4, but you grow out of it. But anyway, these big childish kids like to put on their little coloring books or whatever. Anyway, that's done. But that's pretty much it. I mean, obviously not that exciting. There's no customers. It's raining, of course, so I don't blame them. But I mean, we've got the cameras installed. We put nice bright lights in when we got this car wash. Otherwise, things happen. People are gonna break in. You just fix it, you move on. Graffiti's gonna happen. You just wipe it off like you saw me do. But for the most part, you keep it running. You give the customers a good product. You make sure the soap is coming out good. You make sure everything's coming out pretty good. And I always say, they're gonna keep coming back if they have a good experience. If they have a bad experience, there's another car wash about a mile down the road. They're just gonna go to that one. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else more exciting to talk about. There's some motors, there's some pumps. It's boring, isn't it? But that's what it is. These boring businesses create financial freedom. So guys, if you want to do this too, I do have a course. Check it out. Link is in my description if you guys are interested. You know, it teaches you step by step how I got my car washes, how I run my car washes. It's got equipment that I use in there, all the good juicy stuff that, you know, you need to be successful in a car wash. And it's not rocket science, it's very simple. 1 is a bit of fun. 2, 3 car washes becomes a little more serious. 5, 6, and 10 plus is life-changing, ultra wealthy money. So that's what it comes down to, guys. And that's gonna be it for today. Tucson, Arizona, going back to Los Angeles. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.